Today I'm gonna color this picture of a rhinoceros. Let's start on his face first. Let's make the inside of his ears light pink. And let's make his horn cream. Let's also make his toenails cream. And let's make the tip of his tail dark gray. And let's make the rest of his body a lighter gray. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this rhino. So cute! Next, let's color in the background behind him. Let's make the grass down here light green. And lastly, let's make the sky up here blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cute. The rhino just looks so adorable. This is one awesome animal. Okay, so today I'm gonna color this picture of a giraffe. Let's start on its face first. The inside of its ears and mouth are pink. And let's color inside its nose dark brown. Let's make around its mouth a lighter brown. Let's make the hair along its neck dark brown. And let's make its hooves black. And let's color in all its spots brown. And let's color in the rest of its body a yellowish orange. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this giraffe. Next, let's color in all this stuff in the background. Let's make these rocks down here light gray. And let's make the grass down here light green. Let's make this grass a darker green. And let's make this tree over here dark brown and green. And lastly, let's color in the sky up here light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. I love all the pretty details in the background. This is one awesome animal. Okay, so today I'm gonna color this picture of two lions. Let's color in the male lion first. Let's make his nose and the insides of his ears light pink. And let's color in his fur a golden yellow. And let's color in his mane and the tip of his tail a reddish orange. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this lion. Next, let's color in the female lion. Let's also make her nose and ears light pink. And let's make around her mouth and her belly a light yellow. And let's make her fur a light golden yellow with an orangish red tail. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in both lions. Next, let's color in all the stuff in the background. Let's make this big rock gray. And let's make these trees dark green and brown. Next, let's color in this grass part light green. And let's color in the sand part light tan. And lastly, let's color in the sky up here light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so awesome. These lions just look so adorable. They are just the cutest cats in the whole jungle. Okay, so today I'm gonna color this picture of an elephant spraying some water. Let's start on her face first. Let's make her eyes blue. And her toenails a light yellow. And let's color in her skin light gray. And let's color in the water she's spraying light blue. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this elephant. Next, let's color in the stuff in the background. Let's make the grass down here green. Let's color in the water down here light blue. And lastly, let's color in the sky up here a light aqua blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. This elephant just looks so adorable. She just loves to play in the water. Okay, so today I'm gonna color this picture of a cute lion cub. Let's start on his face first. Let's make his eyes blue. And let's make his nose, mouth, and insides of his ears pink. Let's color in around his mouth, belly, and paws cream. Let's color in the tip of his tail brown. And let's color in the rest of his fur an orangish brown. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this lion cub. Next, let's color in the background. Let's make this tree up here dark brown and green. And let's make all the grass at the bottom a lighter yellowish green. And lastly, let's color in the sky up here light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cute. The lion cub just looks so adorable. He is gonna be king of the jungle. Hey everyone! Don't forget to get your copy of my brand new Kimmi the Clown coloring book at itskimmi.com.